So today we're going to be using Veronica, this lovely model over here. Yeah. And we are going to be doing some light setups, and I'll show you guys the light setups. There's a really cheap alternative to a continuous light here and up here. So there's two lights here. There is a continuous light here and up there. And then we have a reflector going on over there. That's about a 5-foot reflector, and I'll show you guys that later. Right now we're gonna shoot Veronica, and she's wearing a bralette and some undies. And then what we did is we draped over some of these like sheer fabrics, and we just pinned it in the back, and we kind of made this avant-garde kind of look. And so yeah, we're just gonna play around. We're gonna see what we like. And right now my settings are at 200 f1.8, and my ISO is at 1000. My white balance is at 4440 Kelvin. And let's get started. Go ahead and bring your hands up to me like this.
Yeah. My elbows look awkward.
No, if you tuck in your elbows a little bit, it can help a little bit. Go ahead and turn your body this way, and then go ahead and drape that like curtainy part, yeah. And then it kind of got bunched up, so what I'll have you do is I'll have you like unbunch it, and then I'll go ahead and go over there and help you.
She'll probably make food. No, she always calls me when she makes my favorite food. She'll be like, "Mija, hice flautas when I'm mad." I think it's sweet. Oh
yeah.
Gosh. Like I don't live with her no more, but she still wants to feed me.
Oh. So a good thing to note is when you're doing boudoir, the cleavage is nice, but it's not everything. So you want to make the client or the model look seductive in a different way. You don't want to make them look trashy. Trashy, the right, yeah. And then what I like to do is I like to like kind of like pull through the hair and pull it up and out to kind of give them volume. And then this one I think I'm going to do a little bit more of a tight shot. Go ahead and open your eyes to me. And then if you ever feel like these, and I'll put an insert photo here to show you guys, but if you feel like you need a little bit more leverage, David, can I have that? The little stool. You can always use a little stool or something. And the only downside to these is that I'm literally jumping over some cables, and that's not fun. But like I said, these are very affordable. I think I got them off eBay maybe 10 years ago. And it was $100 for like a kit of 4 or 5 lights. So hopefully I'm not in the shot.
Yeah.
Okay, let me bring that hand up to your chest.
Whenever your hands are up like that, you're good.
Okay. Bring that hand that's dangling up into your chest. There you go. Go ahead and look over your shoulder for me. And down. Bring your chin to your shoulder. I know, I love it. Okay, so what I'll have you do is I'll have you put your hands like kind of up into your face. Like kind of, yeah, a little bit more like grabbing underneath the hair.
Okay,
yeah.
Okay.
But also behind your ears. And then kind of bring your hair forward a little bit for me. And then go ahead and do that. There we go. And then look off into this light. Bring your chin down ever so slightly. And then what I'll have you do is I'll have you drop that hand and kind of like hold. So, yeah, just kind of like drop your wrist, like kind of relax your wrist.
Do like that.
Okay, perfect. Go ahead and look down for me. Look towards your wrist. And go ahead and gently hold your wrist. Instead of holding like this, go ahead and hold into the wrist. There we go. And open your wrist up. And just let it fall. Just let it fall all the way down. And then go ahead and kind of like shrug your shoulder. And look at me. Bring your chin down ever so slightly. There we go. And let me get some really up close and personal ones. Okay, so go ahead and turn this way just a little bit, and then turn your head. And then bring your chin up. And then always ask your client or your model if it's okay to touch their face. We're pretty close, so that's fine. But always, always ask for permission. Let me see. Go ahead and kind of like look down, but still your eyes on me. Oh,
that is super cute.
Okay, so another trick you can do is going in, changing your picture control, and I like to make it into a monochrome so I can see, since these are most likely all going to be black and white, I like to see like what the outcome would be. Bring your chin towards me like this. And down. And follow me. Kink your neck real quickly. Then turn it this way. So now we're just changing up the look a little bit so I can give a different feel. This. And then go ahead and kind of like bring your chin to your shoulder. And then look at me like with a somewhat smile, like loosen your lip. A little bit open mouth. And look straight into the lights, but open your lips. Like, and look down. Like that. And then go ahead and turn kind of somewhat this way. Your whole body. And then just like dramatic turn. Beautiful. And what I'll have you do is I'll have you kind of crisscross your hands like this. And then let me just fix this little part for you.
Thank you.
Oh, well, I'll put my hair one brush with them. And then what we'll do is we'll do the tossing. Okay, so now we're going to do some tossing fabric.
So you're going to toss at me behind the camera.
Yeah, ready? What I'll have you do is I'll have you kind of like your hands like right up against, probably lower.
Like here?
Yeah, about there. Yeah.
Okay.
Ready? Set, go. And think smoldery, like think like
Chris Pratt. I love Chris Pratt.
Very specific.
think Chris Pratt.
Okay.
Think. All right, so what I'll have you do is I'll bring your chin out. There we go, like that. And then I'll have you kind of like throw it like, there we go, like that. Ready, set, go. Ooh, I love it. All right, let's toss it. I'll go have you go right behind her and then just kind of like toss it behind her. And over her face. Okay. You ready? Set. And then go ahead and bring your chin towards your there you go. Right there. Ready, set, go. You need to put it way closer to her face. I got like none of that. It's okay. So go kind of like throw it over her face. Try to throw it like on top of her head.
Mm-hmm.
Like grab a lot. You're grabbing like very little. There we go. Yeah, there you go. So the key is to grab a lot. And then go ahead and throw it over her face.
Mm-hmm.
Go. So Veronica, what I'll have you do is I'll have you just kind of like stoic face. Just kind of like look at me.
Okay, just stoic face looking at you. All right.
Ready? And actually, let me fix your hair a little bit. There we go.
Should I lower my chin?
Bring your chin out. There we go, like that. And actually, bring your chin a little bit this way, like body. There we go. Ready, set, go. You were just like.
I think that was good. Yeah, here's good.
Yeah, that one looks cool.
Oh, that's cute.
I like it. Okay, so let's do one more. And what I'll have you do is actually I'll have you kind of like wrapped in this.
Okay.
And I'll have you kind of like, if you're like, not trying to get out, but like, yeah. Then I'll have you bring your head out a little bit. And there we go.
Let's look at it this way. Check
Like
it
very low gas. Okay.
Bring your chin down. Like, here.
Okay, out.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then go ahead and bring it opposite, up and out. Bring it down a little bit. Probably a quarter of the way down. Then go ahead and just kind of look at the lights this way. What I'll have you do is I'll have you like kind of like this. And look kind of right here. Ready? That looks so cool. You look like, what is that movie?
Beetlejuice?
No, not Beetlejuice. What's that movie? It'll come to me. What is it called? Let me see. Go ahead. Kind of look downish, like. No, I'm gonna have your hand like right about there.
Okay.
No, not Zoolander. God, what is it called? It's gonna come to me later. Lady in Black? Woman in Black?
I haven't seen
With Daniel
that one.
Radcliffe?
What? I really haven't seen that one. It's got Harry Potter in it. Oh my god.
Yeah,
I like
it's
such a feeling.
it's okay. Look down.
No, I don't know.
Yeah, it's a movie. I wouldn't say it's like a you need to watch this kind of movie.
You could live with that.
Yeah, you can definitely live with that movie.
No,
Bring-
it's
The
good
only
to know.
reason I think you should watch
Look
it is
straight
if
into my eyes and like right there.
If it ever becomes a moment of preference. That's about it.
Bring your chin out.
You need to live with that. It's the only reason.
Go ahead and bring your hand like
Actually, maybe
let it fall. Like bring it up, but let it fall like right on your chest. And then let it fall like there we go. Yes, queen.
I love that.
All right.
I feel like I have to watch it because it's got Daniel Radcliffe in it, and that's Harry Potter.
You're good. You don't need to watch it. And I think that's good. I think we did it. High five all around. High five. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys the lighting setup and how we did this. And it's really easy. It's really simple. Like I said, these I got from eBay probably 10 years ago. You can probably find them even cheaper. They're from a brand that I don't even remember. It's like Light Studio or something like that. They have a ton of kits by different brands. Came with that backdrop and the lights, umbrellas, stands, adapters for the lights to like actually plug them in. And it also came with a green and a white backdrop. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Hey, Veronica.
Instagram.
Okay, so this is the lighting setup and basically the whole setup. So we have this backdrop, which is just a white curtain. I mean, a black curtain, sorry. It's just a black curtain, and it comes with 2 of these. So it comes with the black and then like a, I don't know what you would call that. I'm trying to use the autofocus for this. All right, you're gonna have to trust me. It's just like a little muslin kind of thing. And then for my lighting setup, this is what we got. We have one right here and one back there, and it's a little bit higher and angled to her. It's about almost at a diagonal to her. This one, it's pointed up just so I can get some up light underneath and over her. And then we have that reflector right there, just so if any light is bouncing back over there, it'll come back this way. But besides that, this is the whole setup. How do you feel about your shoot today?
I feel really accomplished. It's different from your usual boudoir. It's more high fashion. Not that boudoir isn't beautiful. It's just something very different. So I'm really happy.
Aww.
I feel like I got more of like a Vogue-esque look today.
Yes.
I'm really happy about that.
Let's show off your dress.
Okay.
Okay, so we have this dress, which we made out of
Like some tulle.
yeah, it's just some tulle. It's like some like really fun tulle, and it's just like crisscrossing there. We cinched it kind of at the abdomen area, and then go ahead and turn around for me. And all we did, if you guys can see, actually turn towards the light a little bit. Right here. So we just got some safety pins and just safety pinned it in place. But underneath she's just wearing like bra and panties. So if you guys ever want to do like a really fun shoot for not a lot of money, yeah, you guys can definitely do that. You don't have to spend like $1,000 on a dress.
You want to get like a Vogue-esque shoe for a really affordable price? Run to Joey.
You're so sweet. Alright, so that's it. Alright, bye guys.
Bye, Instagram.